I'm going to replace some line. I'm tired of this. Get this thing like it needs to be. Okay. Now, I'll be back. Like old Arnold in Terminator. I'll be back. All right, I'm back with breeze bands. I'm armed and dangerous. Okay? That one right there, I know has a hole in it. I'll bring you over here in a minute where you can see it. Oh, gone. It's a little old short one. Okay? A pain in the butt. I'm going to have to try to get to it from the other side. It's going to be a great issue where I'll need a tissue to cry. Anyway, I'm going to bring it around. I'll drop y'all down where you can see.